Have you ever heard someone say, "Wow, he's got a big brain," when they're talking about a smart person? It's a common saying, but does a bigger brain actually mean more intelligence? Let's dive into this fascinating question. For a long time, scientists thought there might be a simple connection. And when you look at some animals, it seems to make sense. Humans have larger brains than, say, a cat, and we're generally considered more intelligent. But this is where it gets tricky. If bigger was always better, a sperm whale, with a brain weighing nearly 20 pounds, would be the genius of our planet. Elephants also have brains 3 times the size of ours, but we don't see them building spaceships, do we? So it's not just about the absolute size. Scientists then started looking at the brain-to-body mass ratio. This made a bit more sense. Humans have a pretty impressive ratio. But even then, some small birds and mice actually have a higher brain-to-body mass ratio than we do. So that can't be the whole story either. Today, researchers believe intelligence is far more complex than just size. It's more about the structure and efficiency of the brain. Things like the density of neurons, the number of connections between them, called synapses, and the complexity of the cerebral cortex, especially the frontal lobe, are much more important. Think of it like a computer. A huge old computer from the 90s is no match for a slim modern laptop. The laptop is smaller, but its components are more advanced and work together much more efficiently. Our brains are like that. We have an incredibly dense and folded cerebral cortex, which allows us to pack in more processing power. This intricate wiring lets us do amazing things like think abstractly, use language, and solve complex problems. It's the quality of the connections, not just the quantity of brain matter. So the next time you hear someone mention a big brain, you'll know the real secret to intelligence isn't the size of the organ, but the incredible complex network humming away inside it. It's a beautiful reminder that the most powerful things often come in surprisingly complex packages. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed unraveling this brainy mystery with me, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next video. See you next time.